Okay, Caps Ninjas. Sensei Lance here at the Caps Dojo. And what we're going to be practicing today, we're going to be practicing the knife hand. Okay, we're going to be doing a knife hand technique. Now, this is a very effective technique, and it's also a very, very dangerous technique if used properly. So please, y'all, I beg you, practice responsibly. Practice responsibly. Okay, now proper knife hand technique, super simple. What you're going to do is you're going to make your hand nice and flat, just like that, nice and flat. We're going to take this thumb, we're going to tuck it in, and we're going to flex those fingers a little bit. Okay, we're going to flex those fingers, that way they're kind of tight. Okay, we don't want them nice and loose because then it's not much of a striking surface. We can't hit that hard with it. And what we're going to do is from here, once you flex those fingers, you tuck that thumb, we are going to strike right here with this blade of the hand. This blade of the hand, okay? And this is one of the great uses for the striking mannequin. From here, what I'm gonna do, this is a great technique from when I'm being attacked from the side, okay? So what I'm gonna do is from here, if I'm grabbed from the side, I can take that knife hand, I can bring it up here, up close to my face. You can bring it up by your ear, you can bring it right here, but we gotta move quick. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn your whole body, and I'm going to use that area right here that we just talked about to strike right here, bang, to the neck area, okay? Now, anybody that's been hit in the neck or been poked in it or something, you realize that it's a very, very sensitive area, a very, very sensitive area. So when you get hit there kind of hard, that's definitely going to cause a distraction. That's definitely going to cause a little bit of panic and give you that opportunity that you need to, boom, to get away. Okay, so from here, what you're going to do is we're going to practice. He's right here. My attacker's right here to the side. Okay, this is going to be a great time to use that pillow that you drew the face on. Hopefully, you drew a little bit of a neck on it too. Okay, from here, what I'm going to do is I am going to bring my hand up by my ear. Okay, using this edge here. Bang, strike, and then go. Okay, so from here, chamber. This is called our chamber. I'm going to turn my whole body, my hips, my legs, everything. Bang, strike to the neck. And go. Okay? Strike and go. Strike and go. All right. Have fun practicing that super simple technique at home.